Quick and simple. Let's do this. Finely cut shallots. Some chopped garlic. Some bok choy. Now after the onions, garlic, bok choy, now finish chopping off a few mushrooms. Pot, olive oil, and start with the shallots and some garlic, pepper flakes, salt, pepper. Now add semi-pearled farro. Toast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. About a minute and a half in. Now we'll add vegetable demi-glace and some verjus blanc. Mix. Give it about 20-30 seconds. And then add the bok choy stems. Give it a minute. Alright, a minute in, and now we'll add 4 cups of water. I'd say 3. Yes. That should be enough. And then let it simmer there for about 29 minutes until the water is absorbed. Add mushrooms. White onions. Chopped garlic. Salt. Pepper. Balsamic vinegar. Let it simmer for about 30 seconds. Okay, this is now ready. Some olive oil. And now to the fresh salmon. Salt, pepper, season on both sides. salt, pepper, and some oregano. Okay. And now with the skin down into the pan. Oh yeah. Sizzle away, baby. 5 to 7 minutes in. I season some more. Salt, pepper, oregano, and garlic. And I've added some balsamic vinegar. And a little bit of lemon juice. Now we're almost there. And now to the cooked farro. We'll add the rest of the bok choy, mushrooms, butter, and then mascarpone. Let's make a double mascarpone. And mix it all together. Lemon. Oregano. Pepper. Salt. I guess we're there. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Oh, dinner's ready!